If you want to unlink your Uber account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option. Tap on it to open the privacy settings related to your account. Step 4. Manage linked accounts. In the Privacy Settings, find the section for linked accounts or social media connections. Here, you should see Facebook listed as a connected account. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Select the option to unlink or disconnect Facebook from your Uber account. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the disconnection. Once you have completed these steps, your Uber account will no longer be connected to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking Uber's help section for further assistance.